Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hey city planners! In this video, I will explain how to play Cities Skylines with unlimited money. It's a fantastic way to unleash your creativity without financial worries. First, from the main menu, head into the Content Manager. Look for the Mods tab on the left side. There, you'll find a built-in option labeled Unlimited Money. Simply check that box, and you're all set to start a new game or load an existing one with infinite funds at your disposal. It's that easy to transform your gameplay experience. With unlimited money, the possibilities for your city become truly endless. You can construct any building, road, or service without a single thought about its price tag. This freedom allows you to experiment with grand designs, intricate transportation systems, and massive districts right from the start. You can focus entirely on the creative aspects of city planning, bringing your most ambitious visions to life. It's perfect for those who want to build without the usual financial constraints of the game. Another avenue is using browser-based emulators, which can run the game if you possess a legally acquired copy. Additionally, the Undertale community has produced numerous fan games, many of which are designed to be played directly in your browser. These fan creations often provide fresh narratives, challenging boss fights, or unique takes on the original game's mechanics, offering a different kind of experience. So, when is the best time to use unlimited money? It's absolutely ideal for creative building, sandbox-style play, or when you want to test out new city layouts and infrastructure designs without any financial pressure. It's also a great way to learn the game's mechanics and experiment with different services. Just remember, once you enable this option for a specific city save, it's typically a permanent choice for that save file, meaning you cannot easily switch back to a financially constrained game.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.